Hi guys, welcome to my channel Edutech Idea. In this video tutorial we will discuss about the ManageEngine Endpoint Central tool. In this video I will guide you how you can download the ManageEngine Endpoint Central tool for patch management and how you can install and how you can use this tool in your environment. So let's start friends. So ManageEngine is an IT management software division of Zoho Corporation that provides a wide range of products for managing IT operations including networks, servers, applications and securities. Okay friends, so this is the ManageEngine Endpoint Central site. So how you can download? First you go to the Google Chrome browser and type here the ManageEngine Endpoint Central. Manage Engine Endpoint Central download. Okay, so open this site, open this URL. This site will be open. Already I have opened. So you can download from here. Click on the download. Now you can see here avail your 30 days free trial and manage unlimited endpoints. Okay, so 30 days trial free trial you can use, and after that you can, if you uh, find good for the endpoints management, you can purchase this software. Okay, so there is the two type of software. You can cloud download for the cloud, or if you are using on-prem, you can go to the on-premise and download this software. Okay, now it's downloading. I have downloaded this software, and we will go to install this software. Click on it. So double click on the exe ManageEngine Endpoint Central Evaluation Kit. Click on yes. Okay, now it's installing, preparing setup. Click on next. Click on, this is the license agreement. Click on yes, then next, then this is please provide here the port. Automatically it will capture 8020 for HTTP port, and HTTPS port is 8383 for the ManageEngine Endpoint Central tool. Okay, click on next. Setup will add programs icons. Okay, 360 security. Okay, click on next by default. Now it is installing directory. Okay, go with next. Now it is installing. Okay, it will take some time, so wait. Now ManageEngine Endpoint Central setup has been installing, extracting the files. It will take few minutes, please wait. Now this screen will be appear after running the setup. If you purchase this product, you can provide this detail for the technical support. You can provide the dedicated person name, is whose mail ID, whose phone number, and company name and country code. But we want to just trial for 30 days, so we will skip this. You can also skip this step if you are installing for only for the trial period. Okay, so we will skip currently right now, and our setup installation, ManageEngine setup installation has been completed successfully, and finish this. Okay friends, so now we will open the ManageEngine Endpoint Central console. So click on the ManageEngine Endpoint Central. friends, so now managing Endpoint Central setup has been installed. Or let's open the console. So click on the taskbar where you can see the ManageEngine Endpoint Central icon. Here the using port, the HTTP port is 8020, HTTPS port is 8383. When you are using in your organization, you can use the port 8383, but if I have installed in my personal computer, so I will use the 8020 port. Okay, but 8020 HTTP port is not secure, so please always use for if your an organization, so HTTPS port. Okay, so let's open web console. Click on the open web console. After that, console will be opening. Okay friends, so now, yes, you can see here in my console is opening, initializing Endpoint Central server. Okay, so it will take shortly, it will be available, so please wait for some time. ManageEngine Endpoint Central console is open, and the default user ID is admin, and password is also I think admin, uh, default password, credential. So click on sign in. Okay friends, now we have logged in Endpoint Central console. So our dashboard is ready, onboarded, and let's see the features. Click on the home screen, view device detail first. So friends, Endpoint Central tool is a unified tool where we can manage multiple things. You can see here threads and patches, software deployment, inventory, MDM, admin. There is multiple features in admin center, and also there is a configuration. You can create a multiple configuration and deploy to the endpoint machine. You can manage your patch management through you can create a um, automatic patch deployment task. You can create a test and approve environment, and first you can test the patches in testing machines, and then you can, if you can approve those patches. After the your approving, patches will be automatically installed in automatic patch deployment group. Okay friends, so this is the feature of the patch management. This is there is a feature for the software deployment. You, if you want to deploy a particular software to the end user machines, you can create a configuration for software deployment, and then you can deploy the particular software to the all the endpoint manager to the end user machines through remotely. Okay, so and you can also manage your inventory, your asset, um, from your environment, in your environment. So inventory feature is also available in this. You can create a template packages and deploy to the end user machines. You can create here multiple configurations to deploy the end user machines. So this is the this tutorial only for the how we can download the ManageEngine Endpoint Central tool, and install, how we can install, and after that how we can use this tool. So we will create a multiple there, because in this tool there is a multiple feature. So I will create a multiple videos with the different features in upcoming videos, so you can easily understand what is the features and how you can utilize the Endpoint Central tool in your environment. So what is the benefit of this tool? So I will upload the more videos for this tool, and personally I use these tools in my organization also, and I observe that this tool is very working is very good, and there is a multiple features that is very useful for the endpoints service delivery. So friends, if you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and comment if you want more videos for the Endpoint Central tool, I will definitely create the more videos and upload on the YouTube, my YouTube channel. So please like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.